Heyo, boss, and happy Halloween. We hope you've all been having a fun, festive, and safe Halloween season. We've had a lot of fun putting out some videos for you, and today is our Halloween special. It's actually going to be a fun one, an appetizer, Cheetos Mozzarella Sticks. That's right, we haven't even shared our mozzarella sticks yet, but we're going right to the Cheetos for this special event. Let's go ahead and get cooking. So you can pick up some Cheetos or some off-brand, totally up to you. You want to get the crunchy style though. And we're going to want to get these crushed up, so Chef's going to use his kind of hand mixer, but there are other ways to go ahead and do this. So we're going to go ahead and get those nice and crunched up for him. You can also put them in a bag and use a small rolling pin to roll and really kind of fine tune these to get them nice and small. Looks like little Chef's going to even help out. So we're going to go ahead and set up. So we got our flour, our egg, and our Cheeto station, which we've done so many times to share with you. We're going to throw a little bit of milk in those eggs, mix them all around to make that egg wash. And then we're going to use just some regular mozzarella sticks here, just like those kind of pull and peels, you know, you can buy from the store. So here's our station. We have our cheese sticks, our flour, our egg wash, and then our Cheetos crumbs all ready to go. We're going to go ahead and first we're going to flour the cheese stick. And then after that, put it right in the egg wash, and that flour is going to help adhere that to it. Once you go ahead and coat that cheese stick nice and well, move it right over to the crushed up Cheetos, just like so, and make sure it's all nice and packed. Go ahead and use your hands to get in there and just push it all together. And then just keep on going. Don't forget, all the ingredients will be listed down below. And you really want to make sure you get in there and just really compact everything and make them nice and tight. You're going to go ahead and get your oven set to 400 degrees and put these on a sprayed pan. We're only going to do 6 just to kind of start it off. And these are going to go in for anywhere about 8 to 10 minutes. So this was a little over 10 minutes, and we probably could have done about 8. They might have been in a minute or two long. But here they are, Cheetos Mozz Sticks, and they tasted pretty good. A little interesting. You can use some ranch dipping sauce. We really enjoyed this one, but again, you're probably going to want to put them in for about maybe 5 to 8 minutes. And they came out really interesting. So we hope everyone enjoyed this video. We're going to try to be crushing out some more fall videos to come. And we hope everyone is having a fun and festive Halloween season. Please be safe and have fun tonight on Halloween, unless you're watching this later, which happens. Subscribe if you're new, and don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it. Happy Halloween.